Subscribe to Jazee's recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hi everyone, I am Jazla Ismat and welcome again to Jazee's recipes. I am here with another wonderful recipe today. Hope you all will like it. Since it's the pineapple season, I came out with a pineapple recipe. Yes, it's the pineapple toffee. First of all, take a medium-sized pineapple. It should be a ripe one. Peel off the skin of the fruit and clean the fruit by removing the eyes. Now grate the cleaned pineapple using a grater. Use a small blade to get tiny pieces as I am showing in the video. Transfer the grated pineapple along with the juice into a pan, and it weighed 400 grams for me after I peeled off the skin of the pineapple. Add 200 grams of freshly grated coconut along with 250 grams of sugar to the pan and mix them together. Once you mix everything well, add a pinch of salt to the mixture. Then add 2 cinnamon sticks, or you can even use cinnamon powder instead. I have added sticks, but I will take out the sticks later. Meanwhile, grease a tray or baking pan with bit of butter. Alternatively, you can line the tray with parchment paper. In between, add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix continuously. Now the pineapple will let some liquid, so the consistency of the mixture will be runny. Don't worry, after few minutes of continuous cooking, the mixture will start to thicken. The whole process should be cooked under a medium flame. To get the correct consistency, it might take about 1 hour or so. For me, it took 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now you can see the mixture has turned to a nice golden color and the mixture has come together and got thickened. Now turn off the flame and transfer the mixture to the greased pan. Discard the cinnamon sticks now. Then press the mixture gently to flatten it from all the sides. When the toffee is warm itself, draw lines with a knife to make it into pieces. According to this recipe, I got around 16 pieces. Now the pineapple toffee is done and ready. Do try this at home and let us know how you liked it. Don't forget to share and like Jazee's recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching.